Stephanie? Are you ready to shop?
Are you ready to shop?
Are you ready to shop?
The videos on our channel offer tons of stationery recommendations, but it can still be difficult to decide what's right for you. I mean, JetPens now has over 20,000 items. 20,000! And we release new items every week. Today, I'm going to shop for new stationery and take you along for the ride. You'll see some tips and tricks that'll help you find exactly what you need the next time you're on the site. Let's get started. For anyone new to our channel, hi, hello, I'm Stephanie, and I'm just your typical stationery-obsessed individual. I have plenty of stickers, washi tapes, pens, notebooks, I could go on. But, fountain pens have my heart. It's actually pen cases. If you're a fan of this niche hobby too, you know a bunch of people collect limited edition pens from certain brands like Sailor, etc. I feel like I could easily become a Kaweco Sport collector if I didn't have such a tight grasp on my wallet. But I won't lie, I am tempted when we feature them in our New at JetPens videos and newsletters. My dark olive Kaweco Sport definitely needs a friend, so let's find one. Looking at fountain pens, there are filters on the left that'll help me specify my search, from filling mechanism to grip material. So let's go there. I'm going to select pocket pens made by German brands that are plastic and in stock. Let's see, body material plastic and in stock. I have to pick a Toyama teal before they're all gone. The fear of missing out has me in its clutches. And we're gonna go with a double broad, of course. Add to cart. Let's go. Then, the recommended refills and parts show all the products that can be used with this pen, including ink cartridges, clips, and converters. Let's go there now. So, I don't need a converter because I clean and syringe fill cartridges to reuse them. It's more cost-effective and it holds more ink than the Kaweco mini converter. But I definitely need a clip. We'll go with the nostalgic one because it's nicer. Add to cart. I like seeing them all together. And now onto the toughest decision I will make today, choosing which fountain pen ink I should get. This is my Achilles heel, other than pen cases. The most prized part of my stationery collection, the thing I should definitely stop acquiring. But let's just have a look. Also, if anyone tells you that you have too much ink, they simply don't understand. Cut to me crying, confession style. My wallet slipped. I slipped. You don't get it. Signed, Stephanie. P.S.
No.
You don't know me. As with pens, inks have filters as well that can help narrow down your search. Let's have a look at them now. So there's things like shimmer, water resistance, etc. I already know what I'm looking for in this category, so we're gonna have a look at the Sailor Mono inks. Alternatively, if you have a product line in mind, you could always go through brands. I'm going to hover over brands. I can see Sailor here under top fountain pen brands, but if you don't see what you're looking for, you can view all brands, then everything will be here. I'm gonna go into Sailor, and then scroll, Mono inks. Sorry everyone, you have to give me a second while I assess all of them. When I was updating the best purple inks guide, I know Nekoyanagi was popular, but seeing it in person, I totally get the hype. It is stunning. When looking at inks, I always have to remember to investigate each color. For context, there are 20 Mono inks, but only 11 colors to choose from. As you can see, there are 4 inks in the purple category, 2 inks in dark blue, and so on. I have to go with my gut, so it's between Ayame and Hinoki. Please look at them. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Scream! Let me use our comparison tool to see them side by side, since they're far apart in the writing sample image, which you can see right here. Ayame, Hinoki, too far apart. I need to see them close. So let's do add to comparison, Ayame, add to comparison. View the full comparison. Okay. So I want to see how they performed in our tests because I am a human being who's prone to spills. So they performed similarly, which doesn't help me one bit. So let's add Nekoyanagi and see if it's more water resistant. Choose products to compare. Nekoyanagi. Compare. Oh, it did significantly better for the water dip test, but now I'm torn. My heart says Hinoki, but my brain says Nekoyanagi. I'll add Hinoki to my cart and the other two to my wish list, and maybe when my birthday rolls around, I'll share the link to my wish list to everyone. Okay. Add to wish list. And then the wish list link is right here, the button Share with Friends. Finally, let's finish this card off strong with some paper. I feel like I'm the least particular about paper on the marketing team. Others have very strong feelings about the sound the nib makes on the paper, like squeakiness, feedback, smoothness, color, texture, thinness, but I don't really mind. Generally, as long as ink doesn't bleed through and it's not a blank sheet style, I'll use it. All right, let's have a search for fountain pen friendly paper. And when I scroll, I can see curated collection results for fountain pen friendly paper is all right here. You could also hover over our collections or click into collections, and fountain pen friendly paper should also be in there as well. So we're gonna do paper, we're gonna look at notebooks, we're gonna look for A5 notebooks, and also, since we're being particular, we are going to address the sheet style. It's going to be dot grid. All right, let's see. So I've never tried Rodeo notebooks, only notepads. So this may be the sign I needed to take the plunge. Let's have a look at Rodeo-Rama softcover. Having a look. Writing sample. And then the back of the paper. Okay, so they seem very similar to Leuchtturm 1917 notebooks to me, which I do have experience with. Yeah, I just don't use markers with them, clearly. If you've used gold books before, let me know in the comments how you like them. Okay, so let's look at the cart first before I choose. All right, so looking at the cart, I see we have a color theme going on. Therefore, I'm morally obligated to go with Sapphire. Add to cart. Okay, all that's left to do is check out. Here you can calculate your shipping. So like if you're not in the United States or if you're in the United States. And since I know this cart total is $83, it hits our free shipping mark for the US, which is $35. So this haul didn't do too much I mean, $83 isn't nothing, but it isn't over $100. Let's be honest, for stationery people, just browsing usually turns into how did this end up in my cart? Whoops, I already put in my credit card number and everything will be here in a few days.
Meanwhile.
Hey, let's take a detour. The Copics are this way. I've been getting into Copics lately. I want dark colors, but I don't know what.
A few moments later.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi, I have your package.
Thank
You can check it
you.
out.
Appreciate it. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, here it is. So since this is an office order, we only pick the items for employees instead of packing it for shipping. If you want to see how we pack your orders from start to finish, watch the video in the card above. Shall we see what's in my fountain pen haul? Let's have a look. Ooh! Oh, it's so pretty. I love that they show the dual shading. You may see it in B-roll, but they show the dual shading on the packaging itself, which I really appreciate. Then, who doesn't love a new notebook? Just a new notebook for my stash of other notebooks. And then, pen and clip. So I remember talking about these in the What's New at JetPens video, and when you look at it in the light, so it's based off these bioluminescent sea creatures on the coast of Toyama. So when you see it in the light, the pen actually like shimmers and it's very pretty. You'll just have to get one to see. Sorry, now I'm looking. Wow. Friends. Friends. So cute. Okay. For a more comprehensive look at how to shop on JetPens, check out our guide. Don't forget to tag us in your next haul on social media. We love to see what others are enjoying. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Look at them.
That was great.
They're friends. Oh wait, sorry, the clip. I put the clip on in haste, but look at them.
Matt, do the makeup hand.
Makeup hand. Look at them.
No, it's not working.
They're look at them for real.
I can't see it.
Look at them.
Ah, yes.
They're friends. If you're a fan of these, Did you know you can scroll through the photos by using an arrow? Some sites don't let you do that. Sorry, don't say that. They see me scroll. No, too much. Yes, good. They hating. P.S. I won't be using. Where is it? Where's the pen loop? Isn't there a pen loop with this, or am I?
They might have gotten rid of it.
Huh? Where's the pen loop? Oh,
Because this has gone through several iterations.
cutting that line entirely.
Are you ready to share? Oh, one more time. Are you ready to share?